Hello everyone, this is I Ride with Crystal Vale and welcome to my Ayuda unboxing episode. So for today's video guys, binigyan tayo ni JVE Philippines ng vape kit. So ang laman ng ating Ayuda bag is isang vaping device kit. This is the Spark edition guys. Meron din tayong Lanyard ng JVE. Plus, binigyan din tayo ng dalawang pods. So, this is honeydew melon and taro ice cream. So, i-unbox na natin yan.
I was there when needed someone who wasn't getting over you. When I move to the side, when I move, call you mine, and I know what you're feeling. I'ma take you for a ride, let me take it off your mind, cause you know it's a season. And I move, and I move, and I move when I ride, and I move, and I move, and I move when I move, and I move, and I move when I ride, and I move, and I move when I get so tired of making me take a night, predicting it's all that I'll do cause of you. I let you show, don't let you in on my life. I tell you the things that you need to know. I know you like that, I know you need that. The way you're moving your body, don't need your feedback. I know it makes sense, don't know I play pretend. I guess that seasons change.
Eto na guys, eto na. Sarap. For sure, shift ako dito. At nagustuhan ko siya. Thank you JVE Philippines. Kung gusto nyo bumili pala ng kanilang JVE Vaping Kit, itatag ko dito sa baba ng ating video. Pwede nyo silang i-search JVE Philippines or si Baguio Errand. Lalagay natin sa description below. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you JVE Philippines for my vape kit. And guys, bili kayo kasi sa lahat ng buyers natin ng JVE Philippines, bibigyan natin ng isang I Ride with Crystal Vale sticker.